Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mansi. I hope you all are doing well. So I got the ring light. This is my first ring light. I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. There is no instructions, so I'm gonna show you step by step how I assemble my ring light. So stick with me. This is 46 cm 18-inch Digitech LED ring light. Illumination 5000 lm lux, 55 watt output, temperature 3500 to 55 Kelvin. It is adjustable, so you just open up this way. Height 9 feet. I am just going to do just one knob, so just lift it up. Once you have achieved the height that you want on the tripod stand, these are tightening knob. It is adjustable, so you tighten it that way. Here is the ring light. So we are going to mount the ring light on top of the tripod stand. This is the screw, just twist it. Twist into it, then you tighten it just like that. Okay, that's it. Now you can adjust the light that you want. So that's how it looks like. This one is adjustable phone holder. Phone holder is adjustable, as you can see, so it can fit on your phone. It can also adjust for 3 color temperature and according to your favorite to adjust various shade. The ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming. It doesn't come with instructions on the box. If you have any questions, just write below in the comments and I will definitely help you out.